Are you tired of lugging around bulky vacuums that struggle to reach tight spaces? Say hello to the BISSELL CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum, your ultimate cleaning companion. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this lightweight vacuum offers powerful suction and versatile features to tackle everyday messes with ease. Let's delve into why the CleanView Compact is a game changer for dorm rooms, apartments, and beyond. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The BISSELL CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum is a must-have for every home. Lightweight and maneuverable. At less than 8 pounds, the CleanView Compact is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for cleaning tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. Whether you're tackling dorm rooms, apartments, or small homes, this vacuum's compact design ensures effortless cleaning without strain. Powerful suction for effective cleaning. Don't let its size fool you. The CleanView Compact packs a punch with its powerful suction capabilities. Equipped with scatter-free technology, it effectively captures messages on hard floors with minimal scatter, ensuring a thorough and efficient clean every time. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and debris with the CleanView Compact's convenient, all-in-one cleaning solution. Versatile cleaning options. With its removable extension wand and 23-foot power cord, the CleanView Compact offers unparalleled versatility. Reach higher and clean more spaces without the hassle of changing plugs or maneuvering bulky equipment. Whether you're cleaning carpets, rugs, or above-floor surfaces, this vacuum has you covered. Easy empty dirt container. Say goodbye to messy emptying sessions with the CleanView Compact's easy empty dirt container. Simply push a button to dispose of debris, keeping your hands clean and your vacuum ready for the next cleaning session. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance and uninterrupted cleaning performance with this convenient feature. Support a worthy cause. By choosing the BISSELL CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum, you're not just investing in a high-quality cleaning appliance, you're also supporting a worthy cause. BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. With every purchase, you're contributing to this noble cause and making a positive impact on the lives of animals in need. Order yours today and experience the CleanView difference. Ready to say goodbye to messes and hello to a cleaner, more efficient cleaning routine. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The BISSELL CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum is a must-have for every home. With its lightweight design, powerful suction, and versatile cleaning options, it's the ultimate solution for everyday cleaning challenges. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.